Hi everyone and welcome back to the Oh So and So. Well, today we are working on this. This is an old wardrobe that was in my husband's family for who knows. And this is what it has a mirror on this side. So, but I propped it open so you know I could get stuff into it. So this is what we're going to work on today. There is some baskets at the top and I kind of do have some ideas. I was thinking about moving the baskets around because I have this really cool hat box that I believe I could put up there and maybe add something else to it. But as you all know, we have to undecorate before we can decorate. So that's what we're doing today. Now, some of the items that I am going to take out of here, I'm going to keep for just a little while because that way you have time to think. Do I really want to get rid of this? Do I want to sell it? Or do I want to hold on to it? But the one thing I really want to do is unclutter it. And it's going to be hard, but I know we can do it. So, guys, I am going to take all of this stuff out. I'm going to clean and I'm going to vacuum it to make sure it's all nice and clean before we start putting things together. So I hope you stay tuned. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the Oh So and So. This would be a perfect time. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And you know you can always share. Alrighty guys, so I'm going to turn this off and get this uncluttered and put my mind into decorating mode. So hold on. Okay guys, so this is the table off to the side that I believe I've decided to put the items that I do not want to use. And a very high possibility that I will be selling. Now, of course, not my water bottle or the peacock feathers because I have something in mind for them for Christmas. I hope you stay tuned. All right, so if there was a smell-o-vision, guys, I emptied out the perfume from that little bottle because I thought, oh, that would be cute sitting there. It smells just like that perfume. Okay, so look. I got it cleared out. I am still thinking about what I'm going to do up there. But my bed it's got a lot of stuff on it. Things that I'm like, okay, I want to use. I can always use some of that stuff over there in this cabinet if I want to. So, well, guys, I have got a plan in my head, and I'm hoping all of this works out. I mean, I did find some more pens that I thought I could use in those books. And then I forgot about the thimbles. I really don't know what to do about those. I really like the shoes. And then I forgot about those bottles, which were really kind of nice. And then I found buttons. Buttons, buttons, buttons. And look at this. This is a bonnet on top of a hat form, which I think might look pretty good up on top where you can see, but not quite sure about that. I have ironed this afternoon doilies. I'm like, okay. Alrighty, so guys, I hope you're ready. I hope you get your stuff ready to drink, maybe a nibble. Sit in that comfy chair because we have got some decorating to do. So far, it's coming right along. Let's see what else I can get done. Okay, so it takes some thinking to get some of this stuff done. Alrighty, so I'm trying to look at this bottom shelf area, and that lamp, the oil lamp, it has a cord at the back. So I'm gonna put this underneath there so it kind of covers the cord, plus it makes it lighter. So hold on. That wasn't an easy task, but it does make it lighter. But don't worry, I'll give you a close-up. I iron this, and then of course we have to use some pearls. I have some that are very long strand, very long. So let's see if I could use these. So let me get off on this side. Just draping them. I know you probably can't see very good. Alrighty, so I got to do a little bit more thinking, so hold on just a minute, guys. Perfect. Alrighty. I'm just trying to use some of the things that I really want to keep, which I'm trying to really be picky. I don't know. Alrighty, so one memento, hold on. Okay, guys, I am finished with this wardrobe. Before I show you, I'm going to show you the mess that I have made, and I'm going to try not to use everything. So let me show you. Alrighty, so I took this stuff out. And yes, I did have stuff in that. Oh me. Alrighty, so let me show you what I came up with, okay? Starting over here, I know you saw that video. I did add the little hand mirrors, and I moved the dress form over. I added just a little bit to the door because it had a bunch of writing on it. And then this. I took a lot out. Those hat boxes were on the ground, which they really look nice up there. I definitely do not need any more shoes or purses. And I really like using the dishes. It kind of, I don't know, breaks it up. I do like to layer. Alrighty guys, I believe that is it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I would love for you to be a part of this old so-and-so's family. Have a great day. Bye.